Okay, people, today's printing issue is the scanner. I have a Canon all-in-one printer scanner. It scans and prints just fine on Linux Lite. The version of Linux I'm using today is Linux Lite 4.2. It upgraded to version 4.2 today, so thanks for the update. And the program we're talking about is Simple Scan. I seem to be having a slight issue in visual quality of the scan. It makes my scanner work just fine. My printer works just fine. It's the visual quality it produces. When I scan something, it looks a little washed out. And when I print the important document, it prints washed out looking. Very, just looks washed out. Poor visual quality in the scan and the print. So let's look at some stuff here. Let's look around at Simple Scan. Let's look at the about. The version of Simple Scan is 3280. Simple document scanning tool. Okay. And it detects my printer just fine. It's a Canon Pixma MG 3200 series. That's exactly what my all-in-one printer is. And let's look at some preferences. Now I went to the forums and I got a couple of suggestions. And one suggestion was to download the files from the Canon website for my Linux computer, and I found the files for the scan gear. It's like in PPA file format or some shit or something. I don't know what to do with those, so I kind of ignored it. I can find the files again and download them again, but I can't find a good video tutorial on how to do that for my particular printer or a printer that's close to it for the scan gear. So I end up not doing that. Then another person from the Linux Lite forum suggested that I set the resolution to max. Well, there's text resolution and then there's photo resolution. The text resolution is the default 150 dpi, that's dot per inch, and photo resolution is 300 dpi. It's also default dot per inch. And then we got brightness, and then we got contrast. Okay, because we're on the quality tab here. And so if I want to go darker, I can go darker. And if I want to go lighter, I go this way for lighter. And on the contrast, if I want less contrast, or I can go for more contrast. The thing is, I played with this a little bit. I can't remember which one it was. It made everything like huge on the resolution, so I don't know if that's a bug or what. I don't understand this. So do I go ahead and try the max photo resolution, 2400 dots per inch DPI, and do the same thing for the text, 2400 DPI dot per inch? Or is this one here? Do I do this one, 1200 high resolution for the text? Or do I do the same thing here for the photo? What do I do with these settings? I mean, I gotta scan and print important documents for my significant other, and if it doesn't work the way I want it to on Linux, then that means I have to take this printer, walk upstairs, plug it into my Windows PC, and just use my Windows PC for higher visual, better quality scan and print jobs, if that makes sense. So, I don't know. You tell me. What do I do here in the quality tab? What do I do? Make it scan to scan better visually, to give me a better visual scan, and to print better too. I don't know. You tell me. I know I sound kind of stupid, but I'm tired. You know? That's what happens when you're tired, people.